Getting things done when we're depressed or severely symptomatic is a big issue for us. I can go weeks without cleaning my house or even showering if things get really bad. I know that might seem gross or weird to others who don't understand our experience, but it's literally physically painful to take a shower when I'm depressed. If you can't relate to living with bipolar disorder, try wrapping your brain around that. Physically painful to take a shower. That being said, I have a very simple technique I'd like to share today with you all. It's something I use when times get tough, and it's helped me out. Keep in mind that we all have a threshold where our symptoms get to be too strong for techniques like this. This doesn't mean this technique isn't valuable, so don't let your finger migrate to that dislike button too quickly. It just shows that timing is important and we need a variety of approaches for the tough times. Without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to the bipolar coin flip. Keep a coin next to your bed. If you're having trouble getting out of bed, making food for yourself, or even showering, basically the things that we really struggle with when we're depressed, give the coin a flip. Make a solemn vow to yourself that if the coin lands on heads, you have to get up and take a shower or make some food. If it lands on tails, you can go back to bed and sleep some more. Don't do any best 2 out of 3 or something like that. This isn't going to work if you create an out for yourself. Whatever the coin lands on is the way it is. This provides a creative way to have a 50-50 chance of accountability with things that we need to get done. I have to swear to myself that no matter how I'm feeling, no matter how painful it is to get up and shower, I'll do it if the coin says so. The coin flip was a sacred thing growing up. When I was with friends, if the coin was flipped, something was about to become law. Like I said, this technique isn't designed to solve all our problems or bring us out of a really dark place, okay? It's just a simple and creative way to help bring some accountability to our self-care when times get tough. If you found this technique helpful or even mildly interesting, check out some of my other videos. My whole channel is dedicated to providing solution-based information about bipolar disorder. To contact me directly or for one-on-one coaching sessions, check out the links in my video description. I'm here to help. Stay well and stop by this channel again soon.